Welcome to Louisville Water Tower Park in our new series, Louisville WaterWorks. Each time we meet, we'll share a short video lesson, and then you'll get a chance to do an at-home challenge. Louisville Water makes about 110 million gallons of tap water every day. The source for our water is the Ohio River. It looks like this. Lots of things make the water dirty, including sticks, rocks, leaves, and dirt. There's also pollution in the river that could be caused by factories, boats, and people. And it ends up like this, but it's not done by magic. We use filters to clean our water. Take all the particles and things that you see in the river out of the water. Our filters are made of sand and coal. Filters' job is really to separate things, and lots of things have filters, even things around your house, like a vacuum cleaner, a fish tank, maybe even the refrigerator. We also disinfect your water. That means we remove germs you can't see so that it's safe to use. We're busy working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so that you'll have clean water to do things like wash your hands, take a bath, drinking, and a whole lot more. And now, your challenge.
Your challenge for today is to create your own filter. We have some materials here that we've used when we go to schools to do this program.
Some items we have are cotton balls, gauze, we have coffee filters, we have a bath loofah netting, we have a shelf liner and sponges, paper towels, and newspaper. The other items that you need will be a cup of water to have your dirty water mixed in. So we have our bag of dirt back here to mix in with our water. And then you also need something to construct your filter in. We are using a 2-liter bottle cut in half. And then we're gonna build our filter inside of that. And we have a cup right next to it to have the clean water or the filtered water run into it.
So I'm gonna create mine now. I'm gonna start with a coffee filter because I love coffee and I know it keeps out the grounds from my coffee. And then I'm going to use a little bit of cotton balls. I think that would be a good filter. Before cotton balls, let me put in a sponge. That will probably be great. Take it out of my cup. My cotton balls. And now I'm gonna put a little of the netting on top. Here's my filter, and then I have a rubber band with the paper towel at the bottom. So now I'm going to mix some dirt with a cup of water and run it through my filter. You can also use sand or leaves or things that you find outside to run to be your dirty water as well. You just mix it together. Stir it up. Does this look like the Ohio River yet? All right, let's see how my filter does. So I'm gonna run it through and here we go. Check that out. Clear water.